Welcome back. Last time we saw Chrony asks multiple time servers. Today we open up the conversation. How does it actually work? The answer is a protocol called NTP. Important distinction. NTP is the protocol, the standard that defines how time servers and clients talk. Chrony is software that implements NTP. Other software implements NTP too. Chrony happens to be the modern default on most Linux. Picture sending a courier package to another office. You note when you sent it, they note when they got it, and when they sent it back. You note when you got the reply, 4 times. NTP works the same way. 4 timestamps per exchange. T1 when the client sends its request, T2 when the server receives it, T3 when the server sends its reply, T4 when the client gets it back. This is the protocol, not Chrony specific. From those 4 timestamps, the NTP protocol gives Chrony 2 important numbers. Round trip time tells Chrony how fast the network is and how much to trust this measurement. Clock offset tells Chrony how far off your local clock is. Every NTP implementation does this math. Chrony does this NTP exchange every minute or two by default, often enough to catch drift quickly, light enough to be almost invisible. Next time, what Chrony actually does with that offset to correct your clock. Recap: NTP is the standard with its 4 timestamps. Chrony is the Linux software that speaks it, asking again and again,